Welcome to Droid Leopard channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to transfer files between your Android phone and your Windows computer wirelessly and fast. Now the first thing you have to do is go to your computer and open any browser and then search for Nearby Share for PC and then click on the first link, which is from android.com. Now once you're here, scroll down a bit and then click on Get Started with Beta. And as you can see, the program has been downloaded. Now just click here and then click on Yes. And as you can see, it has been downloaded and currently it is installing. And here we are. Now what you have to do is sign in with your Google account. And then once you sign in, give your computer a name and then click on Done. And we are basically ready. You can do one other thing, which is go to the settings and then change the name of your device or change the download folder location. And once you are done, take your phone and then swipe down from the top and then swipe down again and look for Nearby Share. If you don't see it here, just swipe to the left and here you can see Nearby Share. Now tap on it. Now all you have to do is just tap on Turn On and then select everyone and then tap on Done, and we are basically ready to share files between this Android phone and the PC. So let me show you how to do it. So if I open the gallery and then select any file and then go to Share from the bottom and then tap on Nearby Share, you can see that it just found the computer, and if I tap here, you can see here that it has been transferred to the computer. Now let's say I want to transfer something from the computer to the phone. Now all I have to do is click on Select File and then go to the folder where the file is located and then select it and then click on Open. And as you can see, it just found my phone, and if I click here, it is connecting to the phone, and as you can see it on my phone, the file just transferred, and if I click on Open, here you can see the file. And that was really quick. And using this method, you can transfer file from your Android phone to your Windows computer or from your Windows computer to your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.